1. Avocados. You must have seen avocados added into all sorts of lists that has something to do with health. That's probably because they are nature's answers to almost every problem. The main thing about avocados is that they are packed with good fat. 2. Oats. Let's be honest, we all know that oats are definitely awesome for our bodies, but not that exciting for our palates. That's why most parents opt for breakfast cereals even though they probably already know how bad sugary cereals are for their child. Hey, who can blame them? The morning rush at home is never easy. 3. Walnuts. Aside from looking like an actual brain, they are also good for the brain. Walnuts are one of the best sources of omega-3 out there. Omega-3 is the greatest brain. 4. Green leafy vegetables. Your doctors have said it, your mother has said it, your mom friends recommend it for a reason. Green leafy vegetables such as spinach and kale are known to be loaded with powerful antioxidants that can protect a growing brain from harmful free radicals. They also improve cognitive functioning and prevent a decline in neurological functions. 5. Eggs. If they are not allergic to it, eggs might probably the best thing you can feed your child. Egg yolks have tremendous benefits, especially for the brain. 6. Fish. For all the brainy goodness you'll need, fish is undeniably your one-stop. Salmon and mackerel are great examples of fatty fish. They can aid your child's brain's desperate need for omega-3 fatty acids since they are in fact bursting with all its goodness. They also help in preventing memory loss and declining mental skills. 7. Fruits. The best thing about fruits is that they are sweet and is one of the easiest health foods to get them to eat since they love anything sweet. To keep your kids more focused all day long, quercetin might be your best option. It has been linked to being a good choice to fight off signs of decline in mental skills. 8. Yogurt. With the wide variety of flavored yogurts available out there, it isn't easy to find a taste that would please your child. There are so many benefits that can be reaped by feeding your child yogurt, calcium and protein being only two of them. 9. Olive oil. Known best for its high content of monounsaturated fatty acids which are excellent for brain development. Although it is certainly beneficial for your household, especially for your child, when you ditch the regular cooking oil and swap it with olive oil. By adding great food choices in your meals, you are not just making your kids smarter, you are also helping them grow physically healthier. If you expose kids to different tastes, they will not have a hard time developing into healthy eaters. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button, and then tapping the bell icon, so you will be first know when we post the videos.